Okay, we're back and we're going to be putting the screen, the LC digitizer back on. So got it all prepared and all cleaned up. So now we got to move all this stuff.
Good afternoon. FTE Adam Bannon Steve Harper to join Justin Trudeau and the NDP are responding to the decision. Adams made the announcement this morning alongside Trudeau in Ottawa. She called the Harper government, quote, mean-spirited and said she no longer support a leadership that divides people instead of bringing them together. Adams represents the Mississauga Brampton and says she will run for the Liberals in the next election. She plans on announcing which riding shortly, but says it will be in the GTA. Adams dropped out of a bitter nomination contest for the riding of Oklahoma and Burlington, which also led to her fiancé, Patrick Sudas, being fired from his top role in the Conservative Party. Adams says today is bittersweet after supporting the party for 25 years.
I want to work with someone who inspires, not with fearmongers and bullies. I want to support a leader who strongly and unequivocally respects a woman's right to choose. It is time for a leader who has the ability to
There we go.
stubborn.
Stubborn.
To steer the country in a more positive, productive, and united direction. That leader is Justin Trudeau. That is why, after a long and very difficult period of reflection, I have decided to leave the party that I have served since I was 4 years old.
There's a little bit missing here, so I'm just going to put some there to make sure there's no problems. If you notice, there's actually a bent. I try to straighten them out as much as I can, but you only can do so much. So it's time to put it back together. Now the last one, the screen, so this way.
The man was rushed to hospital around 4 in the morning with life-threatening injuries. A trail of blood 2.5 blocks long. Went to a bank with home emergency. 31-year-old Jason Mountain is facing several charges, including attempted murder, which they are still investigating. But
Got to be careful because of the
A man and woman from Niagara on the Lake face a long list of weapons charges. Comes after what police described as a welfare check on a hole in
the screen being bent there. Well, there's it here.
the fresh overnight snowfall slowed the drive and the walk into work and school this morning. Those drivers and pedestrians down several centimeters of snow covering the roads and sidewalks. One with a cold alert. Cold alert is issued when the conditions are at or below -15 or feel like -20. Well, road crews are doing close today. Another couple of centimeters of blowing snow are in the forecast today. One perhaps a little more so. Actually, had a few centimeters after that prediction. I believe the chicken with that is.
So, will the drive home be as fun as the drive in this morning, Matt?
Been finding sometimes these camera mounting things are not where they're supposed to be. Not straight. So what I do is take it out and put it right in here.
going towards this morning. But the cold temperatures continue. Let's take a look at live radar. We're currently not seeing a lot of snow. We're still getting
This is going to be a problem because of
some of it a little more intense down in the Niagara region and
the vent on down
again, it is quite spotty at this hour after the
over here.
hit morning rush. All of it depends on what's the coming this week a little later on in the month. I think that lawyers with several events are fighting for access to former Lieutenant Basin and Omar Carter. Toronto South. Want the federal court to overrule prison authorities who haven't says they argue the warden is violent public personnel. The warden says any interview with Carter where he's notoriety and for the safety.
Alright, so it's pretty much, well, more or less done, so I'm just going to stop the video and like I say, this is part 2 from Dr. Phones and Game Council Repairs at 37 King Street in Brantford, Ontario, 226-400-3956. Thanks.